Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Google Pixel 6 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all we have to open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, and now all we have to do is to simply tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. I know that here you cannot see the three dots icon, but no worries, just after tapping on it you will be able to see them. So the three dots icon and enter the history. And as you can see here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. In my case this list is not so wide. If you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if the list is so wide in your case and if you'd like to remove everything, I highly recommend to simply enter clear browsing data, because here we've got some basic and advanced options, and in basics we've got the browsing history, cookies inside data, and cached images and files, and in advanced we've got also saved passwords, autofill form data, and site settings. So if you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked like here. So let me mark everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 7 days, up to you. If you are ready, simply tap on clear data, and we just got back to the history, which is right now empty, and it means that we just successfully removed everything, starting from the list of visited websites and ending on, for example, saved passwords. So actually this is it. This is how to clear the browser in your Pixel 6 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.